Said you're mixing milk on the ginger. Whoa, Nana Kwadu, watch your way special. Say we better and for one in your baby. Subscribe to Nana. No bema when you need you. Savannah Janinoa, Nana Kwadu, why special. Savannah Janinoa, Nana Kwadu, why special. Savannah Janinoa, Nana Kwadu, why special. Nana Kwadu teach us how to cook. You make cooking feel so fun, so good. Teach us how to cook. Food so delicious, why just lose. Savannah Janinoa,
Hello. Welcome to my channel, Kwedu Special. Emiano, the Mama Kwaba. Today I've got some chicken wings dish that I prepared on my holidays in Tenerife. I hope you enjoyed my last video where you can see me enjoying my holidays. So this is a quick dish I did during the holidays and I decided to share it with you. First, I started off with my salad that I prepared on the side. I washed them and just cut them into pieces. I add some eggs, some tomatoes. Just a very simple salad. You could add anything you want as desired. Here you see me washing and cutting my tomatoes. We mostly went out to eat, but this was just something quick, easy, and delicious. That's some chicken fillet. And finally, I add my boiled eggs to it. And that's my salad. So next on we'll go to the chicken wings. I'll just wash it with some salt. You could wash it with vinegar. And then I add my spice. I add some garlic powder, some all-purpose season, and some chili powder. And then you see me add some olive oil. Then I'll mix that all well so the seasoning gets to the chicken. Here I'm adding some paprika powder. I just forgot that. And some ginger powder. And then I'll marinate that for about 30 minutes. So that's after 30 minutes. And then you just put it in the preheated oven, and then off to my potatoes. Just slicing them in equal pieces. And before I put it in the oven, I'll just boil it just for a bit. Just cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Not too long so it doesn't get too soft. Some salt. So then I'll just add my spices, some paprika powder. First I put some oil on there. And then some garlic powder. And then I'll just stick that in the oven. Look at that. And they are ready to be served. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. It was very easy and very nice. Trust me, my kids, grandkids, they all really enjoyed it. It was very, very, very nice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Nyami shira munyana.